Hey everyone, it's Tuesday morning, January 7th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Before we dive in, a quick note, today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So, here's the deal. Chip stocks stole the show yesterday, kicking off the first full trading week of 2025 with a bang. The Standard & Poor's 500 gained about 0.5%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq jumped 1.2%. And while the Dow Jones dipped just a smidge, down 0.1%, it hovered in positive territory for most of the session. Now, what really lit up the markets? Chip makers. Nvidia had a standout day, climbing more than 3% to close at a record high. Why? Well, its server partner Foxconn reported record revenue and a strong sales outlook, fueling hopes that AI-driven growth is just getting started. And it wasn't just Nvidia. ASML surged over 7%, riding that same wave of optimism. Speaking of Nvidia, all eyes were on its CEO Jensen Huang yesterday at the CES Tech Conference. Traders were hoping for updates on their new Blackwell chip and whether it's finally shaken off those pesky supply issues. I guess we'll find out more about that today and in the days to come. Switching gears, on the bond side of things, the benchmark 10-year Treasury yield ticked up slightly, hovering around 4.62%. Meanwhile, the dollar dropped sharply, only to recover a bit later. Why the drama? A report hinted at potentially lower-than-expected tariffs under the incoming administration, but it was quickly shot down as wrong. In corporate news, Disney confirmed a big deal, combining its Hulu plus live TV business with Fubo TV. Fubo shares absolutely skyrocketed, jumping nearly 250%. Disney shares, though, pretty much flat. That's a wrap for yesterday's market highlights. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow for more updates. Thanks for joining me on Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, and I'll catch you next time.